We're addressing a huge emerging problem around enabling white-collar or knowledge workers in their productivity. This is a problem because the Western developed economies are moving from a production-based economy to a knowledge-based economy or information-based economy, which creates new demands on the white-collar workers, and it's a challenge on how to enable their productivity. It's not something that can be managed with a stopwatch like productivity since the industrial age. So there's going to be a fundamental shift that needs to take place. Humatica is addressing this emerging challenge with a set of services that analyze the organization as a system, a very complex system, to gather data and information about how it works. In particular, how the organization collectively recognizes emerging needs and patterns of opportunity or risk and quickly makes and executes the right decisions to capitalize on these. Humatica is quite different from traditional management consultants because we have a clear recognition and focus that the employees, not the management, the employees are the key asset driving the ability of the organization to succeed and to succeed in its different markets. And the management we see as an enabler of this. We're different from other management consultancies because of this clear focus on the employees, because of the hard facts approaches that we use to improve performance of the employees, but at the same time taking into account the sensitivity of the employees as a key asset driving value creation. Some of the most interesting times have been where we have been called into very difficult situations where there was concern by sponsors of private equity deals about the senior leadership, and they were close to letting senior leaders go. And we have come in and identified specific changes in the behaviors of those leaders that, once they're addressed, have had a massive impact on the productivity and the performance of the organizations they were leading. But they didn't know about those things beforehand. And so bringing that to light in a fact-based manner that logical thinking senior leaders can accept has been very rewarding. Humatica's approach comes from my background to a degree, and that is in system engineering as an electrical engineer. And electrical engineers spend a lot of time looking at how a system processes signals and information. And in a way, the knowledge organization is doing exactly that. It's taking in information about customers' requirements, about perhaps changes in financial markets that might have an impact on the company, and ensuring that decisions are made based on those signals and are executed in order to produce the outputs that customers are looking for and employees and shareholders.